Welcome and thanks for joining us on Real Investment News for your mid-morning market report. I'm your host, Scarlett Fakar. Right now, the Dow is down about 0.1%. Not much movement with the S&P 500 as well as NASDAQ, but gold is up 91 cents to $12.87. Oil is down 26 cents to $57.05 a barrel. Some of your top stories this afternoon, we did mention this a little bit earlier. Federal Reserve data showed U.S. consumer credit rose in September by the most since November of 2016, as credit card debt exceeded $1 trillion. Total credit rose $20.8 billion, or at a 6.6% annualized rate. Non-revolving debt climbed to $14.4 billion. The report added that September acceleration in non-revolving debt likely reflected a jump in motor vehicle purchases as consumers in hurricane-stricken areas replaced damaged autos. Lending by the federal government, which is mainly for student loans, increased by $35.2 billion in the third quarter before seasonal adjustment, and loans for motor vehicles rose by $19.3 billion in the third quarter. Sears continues to see its worst days, folks. The struggling retailer says same-store sales fell 17% over the past 3 months compared with a year earlier. Kmart, owned by the same company, fell 13%. Sears has closed more than 400 stores in the past year. Sears Holdings hasn't turned a profit since 2010. Both stores are putting everything on sale for the holidays. The latest Call of Duty shooting game is a hit, surpassing more than $500 million in sales in the first 3 days on the market. Activision Blizzard's Call of Duty World War II sold twice as many units in its debut weekend as last year's Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. According to Bloomberg, the World War II sales amount to about 20% of the $2.5 billion in total revenue that analysts expected from Activision for this quarter. And of course, the dilemma in Saudi Arabia is making investors in the region hesitant, with Gulf stocks losing $6.8 billion since the weekend. Saudi authorities have said they are only freezing the personal bank accounts of individuals and not those of the companies they own or manage to try to ease investors' minds. On the winning side are the world's wealthiest oil tycoons. Crude prices rallied to a 2-year high on November 6, boosting the combined net worth of 21 oil moguls on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index by $1.4 billion. That is your mid-morning market report. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, find us on realinvestmentnews.com. Our website is coming to you soon. We're super excited, but we'll be back for your afternoon report in just a little bit.